soft skills basically contains a major part of communication, right? How people are communicating with others. And communication, most probably people think that communication means good English, speaking good English. No, it's basically conveying your messages or informing or expressing your thoughts to one another or to people, right? In whatever language. First, you earned dopamine by doing some hard work, right? When उसके बाद ही तुम्हारा वो स्ट्रेस लेवल जो होता है, सेरोटोनिन बोलते हैं, कॉर्टिसोल लेवल डाउन होता है. दीज आर ऑल हार्मोन्स के नाम होते हैं. अब मुझे जब इतना सारा स्ट्रेस लेवल था मेरा पिछले साल, तो मुझे हार्मोन्स के नाम याद हो गए. कॉर्टिसोल लेवल, सेरोटोनिन, मेलाटोनिन, सब याद हो गया कि क्या क्या लेवल मेरा हाई था, लो था. आई wanted to share one more thing. Let's say ठीक है, last year I diagnosed with PCOD. अब तो common हो गया सबको. PCOD mess with your hormones.
Okay. Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. So this is me Ranjit, and today I do have very special guest Aanchal ma'am. Hi ma'am.
Hello Ranjit.
Okay, so this podcast is mainly we're going to talk about communication skill, and apart from that we will be talking about how to avoid stress, how to grab opportunity in life, and how to avoid the distraction. So once again, thank you so much, ma'am, for being in this podcast.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So, ma'am, we can start with your short introduction, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Hi, Ranjit. Yes. My name is Aanchal Kalia, and I am a soft skills trainer. And prior that, I've had experience of HR. I also already had experience of modeling. A lot of things I've done in my life. So currently, I'm serving as soft skills trainer.
Okay, ma'am. So how did you start, the journey of soft skill?
Soft skills. Honestly, I didn't know that I really want to be a soft skill trainer, but yeah, eventually with time, I understood that this is my passion. Why? Because जब मैं HR में I was working as an HR, so I find something very difficult. How? Let's say मैं किसी का interview ले रही हूँ specifically, so within seconds मुझे पता चल जाता था that person is from this area or this area because of their language, because of their MTI. So I always had this thing that I wanted to correct that person. So I think that why not just correct these things? So what would be the right path? So then I find out, okay, soft skill trainer.
Okay, so till now, this is your first university, just a guest lecture.
Yes.
So till now, how was the experience?
I cannot explain you because this is a very, very special batch because it's first, of course. And I had a great experience with students, and I found out that this is what I can love and I can do for the rest of my life.
And ma'am, as you said that you really loved about communication. Like initial days, how was your status in terms of communication? Like you were kind of an extrovert person or introvert?
That's a great question. Okay, so basically I came from Himachal. I hail from Himachal, and I had a schooling from state board, let's just face it, and it was not that great in terms of communication. I always cram whenever I gave my exams. So I used to pronounce stomach as stomach. I always give this example to my students as well, and pronounce because as because nobody corrected me. Right, and one day I got embarrassed in front of my class, and then it hit me that yes, I can do it. Hi.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Okay, so hi, ma'am.
Hello.
How was the day, ma'am?
It was good.
Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. This is me Ranjit, and today with a special podcast with special guest Aanchal ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello Ranjit.
So this podcast is mainly about, we're going to talk about communication. We're going to talk about, about the skill required for career, and how to avoid stress, how to grab the opportunity. So please watch the video till the end. So hi ma'am.
Hello Ranjit.
Ma'am, so I want you to start with a short introduction.
Sure. So hello everybody. My name is Aanchal Kalia, and I'm a soft skills trainer. Prior that, I had experience of HR, and before that, I had experience of modeling as well. So I've done little things, and yeah. So currently, I'm serving as soft skills trainer.
And ma'am, so how is the experience till now in soft skill, like as being a trainer?
Okay, right. So I never knew that I always wanted to do soft skills, and I was exploring my opportunities, and it's been, I believe, 4 or 5 years of my career. Now I get to know that this is what I really wanted to do for the rest of my life, and might be in coming years I'll be doing something else. But soft skills is something that I would happily do rest of my life.
So what were the challenges that you faced initially stage of your career?
Soft skills basically contains a major part of communication, right? How people are communicating with others, and communication, most probably people think that communication means good English, speaking good English. No, it's basically conveying your messages or informing or expressing your thoughts to one another or to people, right? In whatever language first. Second, it comes in English. Why? Because English is basically universal language, universally understandable language. No, that's why we are just focusing or emphasizing more on English, right? So initially, of course, our first language is Hindi. पहली सीधी सी बात है, Hindi our first language. So of course we have to learn how to speak good English without rhythm, because most probably people are actually bringing their tone, their MTI into English, right? So
if someone is let's say completely a beginner guy, okay, who's from Hindi medium as you said, and he or she they really want to improve their English in terms of for corporate job or in personal life also. So what kind of initial tips would you like to give?
How should they begin, right?
How should they begin,
So most probably what I do, I give advice to students, to people, according to whatever I have learned in my experiences, in past experiences. So there's one hit everyone feel at that point of time when somebody get embarrassed कि मुझसे अच्छी इंग्लिश नहीं बोली गई and I get embarrassed in front of my class, then that person start speaking good English or start working on that person. So what I did, that I started talking to myself in English, because I am not going to judge myself first of all, because people are going to judge any which ways. So I am not going to judge myself. Of course I'm going to give what I actually did. I gave questions to myself. Let's say that give your introduction, Anjal. So I was talking to myself. Second, what's your hobbies? What's your strengths and weaknesses? So I started talking to myself first.
Okay, like keep on practicing this.
Yes. Let's say I had my dinner and I'm just walking and I'm doing like two things at a time. I'm talking to myself and I'm just digesting my food as well. First. Second, no matter what, you have to read. Third, most important thing is that if you cannot read, to watch movies, series in English with subtitles. That's a very simple thing, and visualization is something that make you learn a lot of things quite faster.
And one main thing which I have seen, we often watch movies, and we also read, but when the time of execution, okay, we feel low confidence,
Yes.
and mainly in public speaking, okay, we have that fear of fear of failure.
Yes,
so
yes,
how to
yes,
overcome
yes,
that?
yes. Of course, have you heard this thing, Ranjit, that अपने fear को face करो, then only you'll be able to speak or just remove your fear. जो जिस चीज़ से डर लगता है वही चीज़ करो, face करो, Mountain Dew, right? Okay, so what you actually have to do, first reading अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप लोग, right? Start talking to people in English. और ये चीज़ बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है कि वो जज करेगा, उनको भी नहीं आता है.
Okay, it's okay
पहली
to
चीज़
be
तो.
initially people feel
Why are you
embarrassed.
thinking? Because you are judging yourself before anybody is judging you. तुम पहले खुद को पहले जज कर चुके हो कि मैं बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं बोल सकती, मैं बिल्कुल अच्छा बोल ही नहीं सकता हूँ. तुम्हें किसने बोला? Okay, let me tell you one more thing. It's my experience only. I never knew that okay, I can speak good English, right? Or I am good at communication. Until and unless somebody told me, wow, Anjal, you can speak really good, right? You should do something else apart from HR. So then I realized my competences, that yes, this is what I can do, I can pursue, right? So start speaking. You do not know where you are actually going, right? So there are 40-50% of people who are going to pull you down कि तुम नहीं अच्छा बोल रहे हो, तुमसे नहीं हो पा रहा. There are 50% of people who are definitely going to push you or nudge you that yeah, you can do it. So any which way is 50-50 है.
In my case also, I also start doing podcasts just because so that I can improve my communication. Then
You are doing well.
In order to do podcasts, I need first thing, I have to do research about the topic that I'm gonna speak. Second thing, I need to convey people, I need to approach them. So all this process, all gonna take the communication, right? So back in initial days when I start podcast, for me it was very hard to convince people, you know, to go and say. But slowly along with the time, you know, I tried, I learned, you know, how to convince, how to respect their times.
Definitely.
And
One thing, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but there's one thing you asked me, and how can we actually use that word or that English that we have read before in at that particular point of time when we are about to speak,
Yeah.
right? Sometimes हम भूल जाते हैं सब कुछ ही, right? So let's say तुमने कोई vocabulary का words सीखा, right? I just learned a word cumbersome. अब मैं बता रही हूँ cumbersome का मीनिंग होता है कोई टास्क बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो रहा है या डिफिकल्ट टू डू इट, राइट? सो आई जस्ट लर्न दैट, और मैं उस चीज़ को ना ज़ील से सीखती हूँ. When you have that zeal that you want to sound really polished, you want to sound really good in front of your group, in front of your class, अगर तुम्हारे अंदर वो ज़ील है, तुम तभी वो वर्ड्स सीखोगे और उसको अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करोगे कि या वाओ, आई एम लुकिंग सो पॉलिश्ड.
And I'm talking about your college life. Okay, so how was your college life? And during that time, you know, you were an extrovert or introvert? How would you rate yourself? Like,
I would say I do not initiate.
okay,
I never initiate.
but if somebody is approaching you, it's
Once I am open with somebody, I am such. I'm just bragging about myself that I am such fun-loving person. I am such full of life. So once I actually need to initiate, I can't initiate. Somebody has to initiate the first talk. Talking about my college life, it was not that great because I was in girls' college, of course. So, but though we had really great time because हम पजामे में चले जाते थे कॉलेज, कोई देख ही नहीं रहा होता था, तो इट वाज फन, गुड टाइम. बट या आई गेस मैंने बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज और एक्सपोजर मिस किया है
because of
it was not co-ed college.
Okay.
First, second, my hostel was there only.
अच्छा, okay.
So difference ही पता नहीं लगता था कॉलेज और हॉस्टल में, सेम हो जाता था.
And after once you completed your college, like for how long you worked in corporate life?
Okay, so what happened after my college? I did my graduation, then I started my masters. Master, I did correspondence. So there's no role of my commerce degree in my life.
Okay.
There's no role. Definitely, it's no. So I started doing giving some exams, CDS, SSB, Army, because my father is in CRPF, so of course. Then I actually learned a lot of things. Communication, I started learning from there itself, from CDS, SSB, because one has to speak in front of a lot of people, right? Have to show leadership skills. Then only I started doing that. And later on, I started working as an HR because that I got an opportunity. Any which ways, I got an opportunity from like nowhere. I had no plans. I have to go like to HR or something. Anywhere, like from I started working as an HR, as a recruiter, and
For
then
how long you worked?
I worked as like three and a half years.
3.5 years.
Three and a
So
half
how
years.
was the experience?
Initially, it was good. Why? Because I love to talk to people. I love, right? So it was basically introductions, interviews. So it was basically a very respectful job, respected job, right? But later on, this one thing I never liked. It's stagnant.
Okay.
I never liked stagnant because I need growth every single time. Let's say that if I am working in an organization for 6 months, most probably लोग 6 months में सारा सीख जाते हैं काम जो भी होता है. Now after 6 months there is nothing left to learn.
Okay.
अगर 6 month के बाद कुछ सीखने को बचा ही नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मेरे लिए सारा काम वो रिपीटेशन में आ रहा है.
Okay, you felt
बार
like
बार
just
वही काम
same-
कर रहे जा रहे
same
हैं. हाँ, तो there is no zeal in me. मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी उस काम को.
Okay, and one more thing I want to ask you. As you said, you were in HR, right? So mainly, so you talking about students, okay?
Yes.
Whoever they came for interview
Yes,
with
yes,
you, like what all the things you notice on them, like what things they were lagging on them
Okay, so
in
firstly.
terms of communication. Okay.
Okay, so communication basically, let's talk about soft skills.
Yeah. So
All over soft skills, right? Overall soft skills. It's basically first their body language.
okay.
One can unconsciously, consciously, one actually shows most probably 80%, 90% of their language from their body itself. अगर वो नर्वस है तो वो नकल क्रैक करेगा, लेग शेकिंग होएगी, वॉइस शेक हो जाता है, आई कांटेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे, इधर इधर नीचे देख के नहीं हो पाता, वो सामने दिखता है. अगर इतनी नर्वसनेस है तो वो नहीं पास कर पाएगा, पहली चीज़. सेकेंड इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द इंट्रोडक्शन इटसेल्फ. I always taught my students that first 2 minutes are very crucial in an introduction because it shows that how confident you are, how fluent you are in English. So वो आपकी जो introduction है, जो आपका first question होगा, that should be really fluent. और introduction is something which you can prepare. वो पहले prepare करके जा सकते हैं.
Sometimes normally what happens, students they do have a good skill, okay, but because of lack of communication, you know, they will not able
Yes.
to execute. I mean, not able to express, you know,
Express their thoughts.
what
Yes.
really they are.
Yes,
So
yes,
because
of
of that,
course.
lot of students, you know, they might.
I've seen
lose the
students
opportunities.
speaking very low in voice. इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं, इतनी अच्छी स्किल है उनमें, बट दे आर स्पीकिंग वेरी लो इन वॉइस. तो अगर वो सुनाई ही नहीं दे रहे हैं तो नो डजंट मैटर हाउ गुड पॉइंट यू हैव, वो कन्वे नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, तुम्हारा वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन भी उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम्हें रोबोटिक साउंड नहीं करना चाहिए डेफिनेटली बिकॉज यू आर ह्यूमन बीइंग. AI तो काम पे नहीं रख रहे हैं, राइट? सो वॉइस तुम्हें यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर वॉइस and that all comes under public speaking and soft skills. So for that case what you can do, this one tip, एक book लो, कोई भी book लो, newspaper ले लो चाहे, right? Now you have to read it with voice modulation. तुम उसको सुनो, समझो नहीं कि वो लिखा क्या है. You do not have to understand what is there in the book. Just start reading it with voice modulation, like you are just delivering this topic to somebody.
Just pronouncing the words.
ये pronouncing हो गया बीच में ना. Let's say कोई line है, अब जहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप है, जहाँ पे कॉमा है, यू हैव टू टेक अ लिटिल पॉज देयर, राइट? सो इफ यू लाइक सेइंग हाय माय नेम इज अंशुल कालिया एंड दिस इज वेरी रोबोटिक, मोनोटोनस, राइट? सो हाँ, ऐसे तुम सीख सकते हो.
Like after working almost like 3 and a half years, you know, you left HR, right? So I mean, you said you were not able to learn new stuff.
Yeah, it was stagnant.
Then after that, you know, how difficult it was, you know, to move to a new phase.
Somebody told me that you can do better than this, right? And I just grabbed that thing.
Okay.
I was like, yes, I can do it, because I wanted a nudge, because I was already done. 3.5 years I was done. Like, I cannot do HR, I cannot do recruiting all the time, calling and just shortlisting candidates and done. No, I can't do it. I need something lively, we can say, right? So
Like something dynamic.
I took at least 1 or 10 months of gap
Oh, 10
in my
months.
career. Yes, of course. Why? Because I was finding out, and though I was not fine, that's a whole different concept.
So how challenging the 10 months was?
Yeah, I can't even tell you. Most really, I think that सबका ही 2025 बहुत गंदा गया है. मेरा तो बहुत गंदा गया है.
Okay.
But though my parents were there, of course, so it was
So
pretty
you-
smooth, but yet very depressing. I was at home doing nothing, just scrolling and just every single time I was on my bed.
Achha, okay.
So I got a zeal that I wanted to do something. I wanted to start something because कुछ ना reels आ रही थी काफी टाइम से 2025 में
Regarding?
about suppressing girls,
Achha, okay.
suppressing women. तो मैं थोड़ी हूँ feminist type की. Feminist is basically equality between,
In terms
right?
of male and
Equality of gender. Right? People sometimes, वो गलत मीनिंग निकाल देते हैं, but okay fine. So what happened कि कोई रील आई थी, एक कीट यूनिवर्सिटी की रील आई थी,
Okay.
और वो बहुत ही disturbing थी. It was really disturbing, and that actually gave me nudge that I have to start something, because there are girls who are getting manipulated, and actually they are quite modern, they are quite literate, but still they are getting manipulated. So there must be something, emotional intelligence की कमी है, right? So I started my own page, which is Weldon Champ. I named it as a Weldon Champ and started posting it, because कोई investment तो लग नहीं रही, घर पे वेले बैठे हैं तो कुछ तो करो. So I started doing that and started taking sessions in schools, government schools basically, because जहाँ पे बच्चे afford नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ये सब चीज़ें,
Okay.
right? है ना?
So,
हाँ.
It was totally, I mean, free on your
Yes, of
cost.
course, it was free. I was, because I had to do something, because मैं घर पे तो
You
नहीं बैठ
were
सकती
on,
थी.
I mean, you got a free
Yes,
time then.
wanted to do some social service. Though of course sometimes I do want सबको पैसा चाहिए. So of course sometimes maybe I was looking for some paid opportunities. But
Okay.
initially of course one has to start from somewhere. So I started working freelance or unpaid in government schools, government colleges.
Okay. Then during that time, how was your mental health? I mean, you were depressed.
I was also struggling with the same.
Okay.
Yes, I was struggling with the same, but of course it was very smooth because of my mother, right? She was there throughout my time.
Okay, nowadays, when you see, like, I mean, we are on, I guess, same generation, we can say.
Yes.
So, I mean, we used to struggle a lot in terms of finding opportunity. Mainly, when we try to change from one department to something
another.
else. So during that time, in your case, how you give support to yourself, like
The transition
yeah,
was-
transition. At the end of the
okay.
day, doesn't matter who is with you.
Right,
It's
right.
about you, right? I mean, you have to give yourself
Um,
a support.
In this time, companies are basically, organizations are basically looking for experienced candidates.
Okay.
Now, let's say one person is fresher,
Mhm. So
and the company is also looking for experience.
Experience. Okay.
How
So
are
you
you-
were looking in terms of communication kind of job. Or what?
yes. Okay.
What kind of job you were looking like?
What
after
happened after in like at the end of 2025? I was done with everything. I thought like एक साल हो गया घर पे बैठे. Now I have to do something. I have to start from somewhere, right? So again, I shifted to HR.
Oh,
कि
okay.
चलो कर देते हैं, कुछ
अच्छा,
तो
okay.
करेंगे, निकले बाहर. But suddenly I got opportunity because why? I wanted experience in soft skills. मेरे पास नहीं था,
Mhm.
right? So when you do not have experience in something, you create your own experience. Now, how do you create your own experience? Well, then Champ is one which is my greater experience till now because I did freelance opportunities, freelance sessions for schools and for colleges, for institutes as well. There are like RCED, it's one of the institutes in Chandigarh itself. Right, so I did plenty of sessions for students, paid as well. It was paid basically. So this is how I created my own experience.
Okay, so from there you find out, okay, this is what
Yes,
I really want to
that
do.
was my transition because let's say मेरे पास नहीं होता experience, so who is not going to people are not going to take me, or they are not going to hire me for software.
Ma'am, now talking about, as we all know that nowadays everyone are distracted by the social media. So from your past experience and how the youth can make themselves busy, in terms of making productivity, spending their time, quality time to do something good, at the end of the day, by just scrolling, they are not gaining anything. And because of that, by seeing all this luxury life in Insta and other social media platform, people are thinking that their life is going way. That there is nothing in their life. I mean, as we all know that social media is most of the 90% things which we seeing, it's all fake, right? People don't.
They
want
get influenced.
Yeah, people don't want to show their darkness, and I mean, people
Hoping
never
nobody
post. People never post, that I am sad or something bad is happening with me. Everyone, even me, even I have seen people around me, always they used to post when they are happy, they just want to show them people that okay, everything is going perfect. But in reality, that is not,
It's not going on.
So my question is, how to overcome stress first thing, how to avoid, all the unnecessary distraction. So and how you did in your life.
Okay, so Ranjit, as I told you that every single thing, advices I'm giving, it's completely coming from my own experiences. So when I was completely depressed or stressed, what I did, I used to do the same. Mobile phone, scrolling, watching movies, and most probably I was on the bed. Then I felt a little ray of hope. I started doing outside activity, which is what, let's say I have a cycle in my hometown, so I used to cycle down for let's say 3 kilometers, and then I got badminton.
Okay.
Badminton was something that सब खेल सकते हैं, and I got a player as well, क्योंकि कोई और था नहीं मेरी उम्र का खेलने वाला वहाँ गाँव में, so I got a player of course. So I पूरे दिन में मैं सिर्फ एक टाइम सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होती थी बैडमिंटन खेलने के लिए. That gave you dopamine.
Okay.
Now people, what we are finding in mobile phones, dopamine.
Same.
Dopamine, right? अब ना dopamine का मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, dopamine is something that you have to earn it. Earn कैसे करते हैं? अब एक होता है dopamine, तुमने फ़ोन चला लिया, तुमने कुछ खा लिया. I had the same thing. कुछ अच्छा खा लिया, तुम्हें body को satisfied हुआ, dopamine मिला, you're done. Dopamine has to be earned. उसको कमाना पड़ता है. अगर जब वो कमाया होता है ना dopamine, now it gives you healthy hormones. ठीक है, अब dopamine कैसे हुआ कि let's say कि तुमने एक्टिविटी करी, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करी, which is let's say you cycle down for let's say 4 or 5 kilometers. Good. 1 second तुमने बैडमिंटन खेला, तुम्हें एक जीत की खुशी मिली कि let's say मैं इस गेम में मैं जीत गया, right? So you earned dopamine by doing some hard work, right? When उसके बाद ही तुम्हारा वो स्ट्रेस लेवल जो होता है, सेरोटोनिन बोलते हैं, कॉर्टिसोल लेवल डाउन होता है. दीज आर ऑल हार्मोन्स के नाम होते हैं. अब मुझे जब इतना सारा स्ट्रेस लेवल था मेरा पिछले साल, तो मुझे हार्मोन्स के नाम याद हो गए. कॉर्टिसोल लेवल, सेरोटोनिन, मेलाटोनिन, सब याद हो गया है कि क्या क्या लेवल मेरा हाई था, लो था. wanted to share one more thing. Let's say ठीक है, last year I diagnosed with PCOD. अब तो common हो गया सबको. PCOD mess with your hormones
Okay.
because of stress.
And one more thing I want to add you. People normally don't open their feelings of, you know, they are depressed. I mean, they do have a fear of
They don't-
society, you know,
they
that
don't-
they're gonna judge.
They do not want to look like or seem like that they are vulnerable
But
in
I
front
think
of people.
it's okay, right, to go and visit a psychologist or some psychiatrist if you are not feeling well or
First,
something.
go and open up with your parents.
Because
So this
at
is
the-
what I'm going through. Please help me. People like me, there are people who are like खुद में most probably लड़के. They do not share their feelings or whatever they are feeling right now.
Yeah.
They do not share it. Why? Because उनको लगता है they are quite brave. वो खुद में ही सहन कर लेंगे सब कुछ. But mental health or stress or these things are very difficult to handle because ये bodily strength नहीं है. It's inside.
Yeah.
One has to be very, very courageous and has to be very emotionally strong होना चाहिए उसको.
And I think the more we share with someone else, it will give at least a relief, right?
Relief, yes. You're removing it, right? Energy is removing. So first thing first, talk to somebody. If you need help, you can go for therapy, right? But you have to talk to your whosoever is trustworthy, जो तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स का मजाक नहीं उड़ाए. पहली चीज़, बिकॉज होता है ऐसे, राइट? सो गो टू योर पेरेंट्स. मुझे लगता है पेरेंट्स के ऊपर ना कुछ नहीं है. पेरेंट्स जितना तुम्हें हेल्प करेंगे ना तुम्हारे उस फेज में, nobody is going to be there.
So you shared with your parents and
I shared with my mother.
okay.
My father वो ड्यूटी पे रहते हैं, most probably CRPF में है, तो वो श्रीनगर से. I never wanted to bother him. But my mother was such a pillar for me. I can't even tell you, Ranjit. मेरा और perception change हो गया मेरी mother के लिए.
After sharing the stuff and
Yes.
okay.
One day, like a lot of things were happening all together for 4-5 days, and one day I just burst out.
Okay.
और मैं बहुत गंदा चिल्लाई मम्मी पे. मुझे बुरा भी लगा कि मैंने बहुत चिल्लाया, but I burst out on my mother, and my brother got scared कि इसको क्या हो गया है, इतना बुरा क्यों चिल्लाई है. और वो सिर्फ खाने के ऊपर चिल्ला दी. बट द पॉइंट इज वो खाने के ऊपर नहीं चिल्लाई. मैं 4-5 दिन से इट वाज जस्ट गेटिंग कलेक्टेड, कलेक्ट हो रहा था. या छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. माई PCOD वाज गोइंग ऑन, माई हार्मोन्स आर डिस्टर्प्टेड, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन, एंड एक दिन बर्स्ट आउट हो गया. एंड आई क्राइड अ लॉट. एंड बट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगर तुम्हारी मम्मी समझ गई कि कुछ और चल रहा है ना, शी होल्ड मी, शी हग्ड मी, एंड वी बोथ क्राइड. एंड देन आई रिलीव्ड. Then I told her what's going on in my life, Mama, and she understood because I am suffering, or I was suffering from PCOD, and it was not easy.
Because I think parents have been already been through that stage, right? वो लोग ने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ देखा है. and
मुझे लगता है मम्मी ने नहीं देखा होगा because उस टाइम PCOD तो नहीं होते थे.
I mean, in
अभी लगे होने.
और भी मतलब जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना, ओवरऑल लाइफ का जो स्ट्रेस होता है, I mean,
because जितना वो शायद झेल चुकी हैं,
yeah,
वो
exactly.
हमें सिखा रही हैं. तो my mother was always the biggest pillar of my life because she always told me, अगर मेरे कम नंबर भी आते थे या मैं कहीं सिलेक्ट भी नहीं होती थी ना, she always said it's all right, next time और अच्छा करेंगे. She always supported me, never give up, never give up. मैं कभी गिव अप नहीं करा मैंने.
नॉर्मली वी डू हैव अ फेयर नॉर्मली अभी जो जनरेशन में कि पेरेंट्स लोग सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, जज करेंगे. बट व्हाट आई फेल्ट, बाहर हम जितना भी बोलने जाओगे ना, इफ यू आस्क हेल्प फ्रॉम समवन एल्स, बैकबीट दे विल, आई मीन बैक एंड दे गोना यू नो टॉक अबाउट ourselves. But parents are someone, you know, they always want us to win.
Of course.
I think
अभी इस टाइम जो मैं देख रही हूँ, पेरेंट्स आर बेसिकली ड्रिवन बाय सोसाइटल एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि सोसाइटी क्या सोचेगी हमारे बच्चे के बारे में, हम वो देखें. अभी है हमारे पेरेंट्स में भी वो चीज़ें हैं, बट होपफुली थैंक गॉड मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके अभी इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मतलब माई पेरेंट्स आर they are very supportive. They are very, very supportive. That's why मैं अब यहाँ पे हूँ. Otherwise, back then 2025, I do not want to remember that time. But of course, I had lots and lots of learning.
And talking about your friend circle, I mean, do you often talk these topics like, you know, mental health
No.
and career with your friends?
तुम्हारे अलग-अलग तरीके के दोस्त होते हैं.
Okay.
There are few friends जो तुम्हें जिससे तुम एक्चुअल में ये चीज़ शेयर कर सकते हो. And there are friends जो ही हा करने के लिए होते हैं. लेट मी वेरी क्लियर. येस ऑफ कोर्स होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इट्स योर कॉल. तुम किसको अपने लाइफ में कितनी प्रायोरिटी देना चाहते हो, कौन से लेवल पे तुम कौन से फ्रेंड को रखना चाहते हो. ठीक
And talking about, ma'am, I'm from Nepal, okay? I'm from the village. I'm staying in village. So coming from there, getting this opportunity, it's really a blessing for me. And I have seen there are people, who were really struggling to get that opportunity. So in your case, what is the gratitude toward what all things that whatever you are, okay? So how would you like to express your gratitude, like
towards
like whatever you are right now,
okay. So one thing I've learned in my life, be thankful whatever you had or whatever you have right now, both things. Let's say I have inculcated gratitude in myself. How? Let's say मैं एक lights भी मैंने cross कर ली ना, बिना stoppage के, बिना red light के, I feel gratitude. Thank you God, light जाने दिया, क्योंकि late हो रही हूँ, जाने दिया, thank you. इतने में भी thank you, because I have inculcated this thing. And क्या जा रहा है thank you बोलने में किसी को? किसी ने glass, किसी ने like
finding happiness in small things.
Yeah. और थैंक यू बोलने में क्या जा रहा है किसी को? माइट बी दैट सम पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू कैन फील गुड, राइट? लेट्स से किसी ने तुम्हें पानी का बॉटल दिया या ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, से थैंक यू टू एवरीवन. बस.
Ma'am, as we are almost at the end of the podcast, okay, so is there anything you would like to add before we going for a rapid fire round? Is there anything you would like to add in terms of your experience or whatever, like for mainly for college students, for graduating, or who are already doing a job in corporate, who really want to do something great in their life, but they are stuck in between, that transaction, or they are not able to cope up with new skills or something. So any sort of tips or advice?
Update yourself with time, whatever is coming. Let's say अभी तक हमारे पेरेंट्स सिर्फ स्क्रॉलिंग टच स्क्रीन पे पहुंचे हैं, हम AI तक पहुंच गए हैं, आगे चल के बहुत कुछ चीज़ें चेंज होने वाली हैं. तो पॉइंट इज दैट अपडेट योरसेल्फ एवरी सिंगल टाइम सो पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्रॉस यू, राइट? फर्स्ट. सेकंड, इट्स पर्सनल एडवाइस, बी वेरी वेरी काइंड टू पीपल. नो मैटर तुम किस पोजीशन पे हो, तुम हमेशा याद रखे जाओगे द वे यू ट्रीटेड पीपल. लेट्स से कि तुम एक कार पार्किंग में हो ना, हाउ यू ट्रीट दैट लेट्स से सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, दैट मैटर्स. That shows how kind you are, irrespective of your position.
Okay, ma'am. So now we are at rapid fire round. So I will be asking like 5 questions. Okay, you just have to answer in one word. Okay, one word, one sentence.
Okay, fine.
Okay, the first one it's very easy. Like, what's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Mama's mother cook food. Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Like.
घर का खाना. मेरी मम्मी साउथ इंडियन बहुत अच्छा बनाती है. साउथ इंडियन.
She's from South.
No,
Okay.
We lived in Hyderabad for
Achha.
4, 5, 6 years.
Okay.
So
you know Telugu?
a little bit. I know 2 lines like annam tinnava.
Okay.
Annam tinnava, khana kha liya.
Okay.
Neer pinnava, like pani pee liya. That's all.
And talking about the one place which you really want to visit.
I really want to visit.
Let's say in India, which.
In
one?
India itself.
Yeah.
South, northeast.
Northeast. Okay. And who's your mentor in your life?
Mentor. मैं किसी को बना लेती हूँ. The point जहाँ से मुझे like I grasp or I just collect, I gather a lot of information from anyone जहाँ से मुझे मिल रही है.
Okay, perfect. And one more thing, what is the best advice which you ever received from someone?
One thing that never show your vulnerable side to somebody who is not going to be there in your vulnerable time.
Okay.
Because
do you often plan day, or it's just a random, how's your day looks like? You're a morning person or a night person?
I'm trying to be morning person. I'm not a morning person at all. I'm trying to be. First, second, most probably then like my days all go random. Very rare I plan my days.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much for being in this podcast. So it's
you.
been a pleasant moment for me, to host you, and I really enjoyed your class. In my entire semester, if there is a subject which I come only for only for the class, it's your other all for mainly for attendance. But in your class, I never think about attendance, whatever it be. Just enjoy. I really enjoyed all your session, and thank you so much, ma'am. Is there anything you would like to give kind of advice to me?
Advice, whatever you're doing in your life, you're doing really great. The first thing, you initiated doing this, and irrespective of followers, irrespective of views, you're still going on. The consistency is the key. basically, right? So keep on doing good work. You are doing really good. Doesn't matter people लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, बुरा बोल रहे हैं. Eventually जब कोई सक्सेस अचीव करता है तो सारे वो बैड कमेंट्स दब जाते हैं, राइट? सो जस्ट ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग एंड just thank you for having me here. That's
Thank
all.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
so
And
much.
yeah, we will miss you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.